Alright, YouTube.
We got the hoagie out today.
Today we doing something different, man. Y'all see what we got out the 112. Today, man, we gonna be doing a wheelie tutorial. Teach y'all boys how to wheelie in two-stroke today, man. So, first things y'all gonna need y'all some gloves and a helmet. Y'all really don't need it. A lot of niggas ride without it, but
like me.
The helmet, it feel like the helmet give me superpowers. Another thing, y'all can ride in sweats, but if you a new kind of rider, you gonna really want to put some jeans on so you're not slipping off the seat as easily. Alright, but when you first starting out, you're gonna be a little scared. You're not gonna know the brakes and nothing like that. But so that's the first thing you want to work on. When you get on your bike, I started out trying to do the little 1 foot down, but I failed so many times.
Be careful now.
Yes, sir. I failed so many times that I just switched over to 2 feet and started learning that. First step that y'all want to do, YouTube, y'all want to try practicing the brake. Learning to brake with 1 foot down, it's gonna make it easier. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. The first thing I want y'all to start off doing whenever y'all learn the wheelie, which is picking the bike up with the clutch 1 foot down and then putting it back down with the brake. When you first starting off, you don't gotta pick it up too high either. So look, I'm in first gear. Look at the clutch real quick. You see where the clutch at, right? You gotta like the move right there. That's where I wanna be at. Right before where it moves. We're moving now, right? So I'm right before it. So there's a couple ways you can do it. You can just chop it a couple times and then pick it up, or you can just chop it one time and hold it and pick it up. What I do hold it and pick it up like this. And then you press the brake and put it back down. Hey, I learned to do it. I didn't do that at first. I was chopping it and then picking it up. I'll do 2 hits, and on the third one I'll come up. You get 2 pumps of gas. I use that to prepare. And then on the third one, you're gonna come up. So now I'm gonna do it, look. And you hit your brake. You don't want it to come up that hard, because y'all just learning, you might bust your ladder. So, 1, 2, and you put it down. When you first start, you don't want to try to keep it up. If you try to keep it up, you're gonna be just chasing the wheel and you're gonna bust your ladder. Alright. So, after you do that, I suggest y'all to do that step right there for at least 50 to 100 pops. Because I'm telling you, everyone when they first start riding, they think they got their brake until they go past balance point and the bike feel weightless, and then they still take their feet off. So keep practicing that for a little bit, and after a while, you want to try to get it higher and higher and higher. When you're ready to get it up higher, this is right there. That's where you want to be at. And once you're able to do that, you're going to try to keep it going straight. I'm not the best at going straight 1 foot down, but I'm still getting the job done. Right there is where you want to try to hold that. But after y'all done with the 1 foot down, or if y'all want to just skip the 1 foot down and go straight to 2 feet up, what you have to do, I pick it up with the gas if I'm just going, but if I'm at like a standstill down there, I pick it up with the clutch. I just pop the clutch the same way I do 1 foot down. I'm gonna give y'all an example real fast of how I pick it up, because everybody pick it up different, but I feel like my way to pick it up is the easiest, damn near the safest way, because if you fall, you won't even be hurt. Okay, YouTube, so now we're on to step 2. You already know how to do the 1 foot down. You're not the best, but you know how to pick it up, hit the brake, so you don't bust your ass. So now, what you want to do is, what I do, I wheelie in 2nd gear with the 2 feet on. 2 feet on, I wheelie in 2nd gear. And I'm gonna show y'all what I do. I'm gonna show y'all how to pick it up with the clutch and without the clutch. First, I'm gonna show y'all without the clutch. And what you wanna do with the 2 strokes, whenever you wheel in, you don't wanna wheel it like a 4-stroke. You wanna get it up there to balance point, drop it back, and then hit the brake and let it come down a little bit, and then just keep doing that over and over. You don't have to drop back every hit, but every 2 to 3 to 4 hits, you wanna try to drop it back if you can. So when I go, when I hold the brake to slow it down, and I pick up. I'm gonna try first now so I can show y'all me going a little slow. I feel like I'm going too fast for y'all to see. But that was without the clutch. I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna show y'all with the clutch. And I'm gonna also add in a couple GoPro POVs for y'all, so y'all can see me while I'm going. And be able to see y'all here. Alright, this is first gear. I just popped the clutch like this. try to get it that high and then hit your brake. That's how you want to start off your wheelie. And I'm gonna give y'all an example of that right here. Pick it up, try to get it to balance point and hit your brake. And then hit your brake. When y'all starting, y'all don't have to get that high. You can go just a little shorter than this. The way to keep the wheel up, you're gonna be doing gas, brake. You're gonna give it gas when the bike gets below balance point, and when it gets to balance point, that's when you give it brake. Once it go back down, you give it gas, brake, all over again. To show y'all what y'all need to do, I'm gonna be in second gear, I have my foot shift lock. I'm gonna pick it up and hit the brake when it gets to balance point and keep the wheel going.
Yep. That's the one. Yep.
Pretty much you too. That's really what y'all want y'all to do. Now I'm gonna get y'all some clips on my helmet, and that'll be in the video. Just let me know if y'all got some comments on what y'all need me to describe better, or whatever the case may be. But when I get a helmet, I'm trying to give y'all boys some more detail. Y'all boys stay tuned.
You already know, man. We out here getting the little footage, man. Yup. That boy out here getting right. Yup. Little behind the scenes and shit. Yup. Yup.
And now I'm finna get the GoPro POV of what I want y'all to do. So, get in second gear. I want you to ride the bike like this. Charge the band up just a little bit. Hit your brakes to slow down. Take it straight up. Again, you get in second gear, you hit the gas a little bit. I'm not even using, that's the first time I use brake. You don't even need the brake until you go past balance point. When I say brake, that'd be my first time or second. That's the only time I'm hitting the brake is when I say brake. And I'm not holding it, I'm tapping it. And another thing, I want y'all foot on the brake like this. Keep your foot on the brake no matter what. Brake, brake. Brake, 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 brake. Brake. So, as y'all can see, you only break it down whenever you go past balance point or you go back too fast. I'm gonna give y'all another example. That bitch fast. Brake. 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 Just now I ran out of gear. I was going too fast. So let me try to slow it down and do a little more control for you guys. But the easiest way to explain this is literally the easiest way I can explain it. Pick it up. When it get right there, once it gets to that height right there, you want to try to hold the gas just like this. Just a little bit. Just a little bit until it coasts. And once it coasts, you good. Then you just brake. Let me give y'all an example. Let me show y'all in full motion. Look. I rev it up. hit my brake to slow it down. Pick it up, brake. Right now I can't hold it because I'm below the RPM. Brake. That's me holding it. That's me holding it. That's me holding the gas right there. I don't want to prolong this video, keep saying the same shit. So, this is gonna be the end of the video. I'm gonna show y'all one more time. Pick it up. Brake. Y'all stay tuned, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Y'all stay tuned. You see if I can get y'all a little knee-knock. Knee-knock for the exit. Hopefully it's a good one like that. Good. I don't know how y'all be getting y'all. I don't know how y'all be slipping off the seat. My balance so shit. That's the end of the video, y'all boys. Like, comment, subscribe, man. That was pretty much one of my best knee knocks at that. I can do it.
If it ain't about a double, hell nah, nigga, I ain't pushing up. V6 SST cost 75 just to fill it up. If you catch me running raw, just know I keep the 19 tuck. I can't fuck with no hoe.